TP-Link Deco AC1200 Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System Setup. Place the Deco unit strategically throughout your home, starting with the main unit near your modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the main Deco unit to your modem for internet access. Plug in the Deco unit and wait for the LED to pulse blue, indicating it's ready for setup. Get the TP-Link Deco app from the App Store or Google Play to facilitate the setup process. Open the app and either sign in or create a new TP-Link account for configuration. Select Set up a new Deco in the app to start the process of connecting your devices. Follow the prompts to select your Deco model, AC1200, for specific setup instructions. Set your desired Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password in the app for your home network. If you have more Deco units, plug them in and follow the app's guidance to integrate them into the network. Use the new Wi-Fi credentials to connect your devices, and check the app for performance and optimization settings.